Hey guys, so today I'll be making nature bar using some roast almond, walnut, raisin, peanut butter, honey, and oats, and I added some chocolate in as well. So those are my ingredients. Started off by toasting my oats, then I went ahead and added in my almond, raisin, walnut to the mixture, and then set aside to start on my honey, sugar, vanilla, and butter mixture to pour on. This is how it looks when it's all together. And then after I mix it all up, I'll then transfer it into my container, and then to press it, make it all compact, I use my fingers, dip in some water, and this is the finished product. Nice.